A new drone services provider, Birds, has launched operations in São Paulo, offering autonomous security systems designed to meet the security needs of major organizations throughout Brazil. Birds is the product of collaboration between three major companies: Speedbird Aero, a Brazilian UAS manufacturer and delivery service provider; Lander Aviation, a global supplier of U.S. fleet and traffic management software; and Cando Drones, known for its extensive UAS operations expertise. Drawing on the combined experience and technology of these companies, Birds offers comprehensive security services in a single package, capable of scaling to meet the needs of any client. Tailored security systems for a new era. Birds CEO Léo Szterenzys commented on the launch. "I am proud to lead a company that stands to revolutionize the security industry in Brazil. Birds is a new concept in aerial security. We will build security systems from the ground up, tailored to our clients' needs, using the very best hardware and autonomous software to provide 24 by 7 coverage to facilities of all sizes." Drawing upon the expertise of three of the world's leading UAS companies, we are able to offer a package that is truly unprecedented. The company's security solutions are built around integrated command centers, utilizing Highlander's Orion DFM software. These centers enable organizations to manage U.S. teams, monitor real-time telemetry, and control operations from a single dashboard. Clients can use the platform for autonomous patrols, sensor-triggered dispatches, and more. Orion DFM also includes AI-powered object detection, precision landing, and live feed sharing, among other features. Counter-drone capabilities. In addition to regular surveillance, Birds provides integrated counter-drone systems. These systems detect, identify, and safely neutralize unauthorized drones from distances of up to 3 kilometers. Alon Abelson, CEO of Highlander, noted, "We're proud to supply our solutions to the Brazilian security market. This is one of the world's most dynamic arenas. There is a large and growing number of major companies in a wide range of industries, each with unique security requirements for their installations. Orion FM is a platform that's powerful and flexible enough to provide these services, and we're thrilled to join our trusted partners in supplying security packages across Brazil." Seamless implementation for major organizations. Birds is designed to offer turnkey solutions without disrupting daily operations. The company begins with an in-depth consultation to assess client needs and existing resources. They can provide new hardware or integrate with a client's current equipment. Additionally, Birds supplies U.S. pilots and command center operators to manage the security systems. If clients prefer to operate the systems themselves, Birds offers comprehensive training. Manuel R. Coelho, CEO of Speedbird Aero, shared insights on their role in the project. As the first U.S. delivery company in Latin America and foremost U.S. manufacturer in Brazil, Speedbird Aero brings unique expertise to this project. "We have years of experience operating in the Brazilian airspace and in-depth knowledge of the Brazilian market. As such, we can say for sure that Birds is more than an exciting new project. It's the beginning of a new era in security services in Brazil and the wider LATAM region in the very near future." Regulatory compliance and airspace coordination. Navigating Brazil's strict airspace regulations is a key challenge for U.S. operations. But Bird's clients will benefit from the expertise of Speedbird Aero and Vega UTM, an uncrewed traffic management solution. Vega UTM connects operators with aviation authorities to ensure compliance with both national and international regulations. This coordination ensures that all operations executed by Birds are fully compliant with Brazilian laws as well as international standards. Yoli Orr, CEO of Cando Drones, emphasized the company's operational experience. Cando Drones has almost a decade of experience in building and operating UAS systems for clients of all sizes in a wide range of fields, from deliveries to municipal management to public safety. "We're proud to provide our operational expertise to clients in the Brazilian market and beyond. Bird's aerial security systems offer long-term cost savings by reducing the need for human security teams and increasing the efficiency of ground response units. The systems help prevent unnecessary security incidents, avoiding the costs associated with such events.